Want to see? Come here. Say Happy New Year for Gani. It is a mascot. For Gani, you want to say something? Gani. Yeah? It's a mascot. Obvious me, I eat the meat. I'm enjoying, so you want to say something? Gani always she like to say you, okay? Betty? Gani always she like to see you and say something nice and beautiful things. Just wish for Gani. You don't have anything to say? For Gani, even I love you. Happy New Year.
It's New Year.
Likes, yeah.
Okay, I'll say Happy New Year.
Huh?
Happy New Year.
Who for who?
Happy New Year, Gani.
You remember Gani?
Yeah.
Where? She make your hair. You remember? All right. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.